you're having an awesome day. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And remember to hit the bell for notifications.
Susanville city limits. I'm not even seeing the town. We stopped at Tractor Supply to get some materials for Alan to do a little project. Alan had some welding or soldering to do before we could get our batteries. Pretty little town. This is Susanville. Hi dear, what you up to?
We're sitting here
Tractor Supply.
at Tractor Supply, kind of like Tractor Supply, but they got everything. So my torch busted the other day, so we stopped in to get a new torch because we had to make all of our connections to hook our batteries up, because that's where we're headed to, Battle Born Batteries, to get our batteries. So I had to have all these done prior to getting there. And I got a couple more inside I got to do, and then we're out of here. Next up, the battery store. See you later.
Battle Born Batteries, not the battery store.
We're using a wire brush to clean these up. And I sent the wife to get this one, and I told her the size of a fork. She says a toothbrush, but I figured that would work. Well, this was $8. It did 3 terminals and not really worth the crap.
30 seconds.
And it's already been over and ready for the trash can. So she went back in for $1 more and got one that'll do them all.
For a state that doesn't have any water, we've sure seen an awful lot of beautiful lakes. Looking at the map, it looks like this one's called Honey Lake. And it says it's a dry lake, but there's nothing dry about it. I think their drought is over. So it's bright and early. We showed up at Battle Born Batteries. Actually, we spent the night in their parking lot last night and did a tour of their facilities. Got to see how they built their batteries, and they did us a really good deal. We're totally happy with them, and we know that the Battle Born batteries are excellent. So we're looking forward to years of service and no problems.
We'll ship them back to you.
Just send them all back.
Loading up his Battle Born batteries, and we're going to stick around and get them installed, and then they're going to help us program everything in on the bus and onto our phones.
Okay,
Here we go.
we just got all of our Battle Born batteries, 6 of them. We're gonna get them installed, put the new monitor in, and then gonna call him out and help us program them. Gotta go.
Alan's got his bank of batteries in. Takes up a lot of room in here. Probably not as much as it could. And we'll never have to worry about not having enough power. Having to keep the cats on their leads while Dad's busy putting in the batteries so that they don't escape out the door. But they're making pretty fine travelers. And then we got Brina right here. And Rocky on his bench right there. And Little Bird back in there. He's hiding. I had him out with Brina yesterday. He kind of liked the big cage. So he'll be excited when we get his new enclosure done. And there's Alan. We just left Sparks in Reno, Nevada, and we are headed Nevada are pretty tall, aren't they? About 19 miles till we turn off at Topaz Lake. Those aren't the hills we're having to go through. Hopefully we'll bypass them by taking a left at Lake Topaz. Okay, this is turnoff 208 and we're headed towards Las Vegas. Hey Alan, look at all the sheep. Headed towards Yerington and Las Vegas. Las Vegas, 388 miles. Did that say this was Walker River?
I think so, yeah, Walker River. Las Vegas, what is that town?
Your way?
Yeah. So this is the right one, this is where it changes, yeah.
And you said Highway 339?
Yep.
This is a lot prettier route than the way we came down last year. This is the town of Your Way. And then we will be headed towards Las Vegas. I think we're going to stop at a lake near here. And then a town called Hawthorne. This is 12 Mile Beach on Walker Lake, outside of Hawthorne, Nevada. This is set up for dispersed camping. And they actually have vaulted restrooms. And Alan said there were no signs as far as cost for camping. So we're pretty much assuming it's Bureau of Land Management, although there is an Indian reservation close to here too. This is a sheep crossing area. Well, time's getting short, so we gotta go, and we'll catch you on the next one. Bye.
Thanks again for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And remember to hit the bell for notifications.